please welcome Shikha Sachdeva.
Thank
with
you.
With a big round of applause.
Thank you so much. I'm really happy and honored to be here, and I love developing recipes, and I look forward to the opportunity whenever she says कि कुछ ऐसा बनाना, and I'm like, yeah, that's the way to go. So today we are going to be doing eggless Thandai cupcakes, and the twist is that I'm doing it multigrain. I'm not using maida there, and because everybody is into multigrain and whole grain, and everybody wants कि healthy खाना है, जबकि cake तो actually is an indulgence, but yes. For people, some people who want to eat cake every day, these are good options. Yeah. So the ingredients here are whole wheat flour. There's a millet, ragi, and I have used almond flour here. The sugar that I usually use in all my bakes is the desi khand, the raw sugar, or jaggery. There is some yogurt here for people who want to make it vegan, because all the bakers get queries for vegan. So you can skip the curd, and you can increase the almond milk and use a tablespoon or a tablespoon and a half of vinegar. So that makes this recipe totally vegan. And just in case if you feel कि थोड़ा सा हमें texture थोड़ा सा heavy चाहिए, कुछ चाहिए, then you substitute the olive oil for butter, or you can do half butter, half oil. It is totally up to your creativity. So I will just read out the recipe, the measurements to you so that you can note it down. Whole wheat flour here is 100 grams. Almond flour is 25 grams. Ragi is also 25 grams. So I have unsweetened Thandai powder here, which I make at home. And I keep it unsweetened because it is your choice how much of sugar you want to add to it. So this is also about 20 grams. Almond milk is 150 ml. Yogurt is 75 ml. Olive oil is 95. Sugar is 135. And then Fab Flavors has introduced this Thandai essence. I was earlier of the thought कि अगर आप असली चीज़ डाल रहे हो तो essence की क्या ज़रूरत है. But trust me, आप अच्छी से अच्छी चीज़ भी डालोगे, उसको uplift करने के लिए you need a little support, and that is where the essences come in. So I was told to try out I chose to try out the Thandai essence, and it is really good. So 5 ml of this Thandai essence is really good enough for this recipe. Then we have baking powder and the soda, half a teaspoon each. As always, all my recipes are very easy and mostly foolproof unless you really goof it up. So I'm going to I've measured the ingredients and kept here. I'm going to mix the almond milk and the yogurt. Whisk it slightly. And you don't need fancy equipment like a KitchenAid कि भाई उसके बिना काम नहीं चलेगा, या sorry, I don't mean to downgrade any brand. What I meant to say was any stand mixer or any such thing, you can do it with a hand whisk also. And one thing that I have forgotten is to switch on the oven. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. So, as in these ovens, what I usually do is I preheat the oven with the upper rod and the lower rod, 5 to 7, because this is a very small oven. After putting the goods in, I switch off the upper oven and I prefer baking on the lower rod because it's a very small oven. Yeah. Bigger ones also, I switch off the upper rod after about 15 minutes. Because what happens is the upper rod is always closer. So it makes it crusty and hard. So heat doesn't get absorbed properly. So sometimes I get queries from students who tell me कि केक अच्छा बन गया, skewer भी निकल आया, ऊपर से touch करके देखा वो firm भी था, but अंदर से the center was slightly uncooked. Now the baking happens from the side towards the center, right? So the center is the last to be cooked. So if you feel like I got a call yesterday saying कि ma'am we cannot switch off the upper oven. So I said okay, तो फिर एक नीचे कर दो उसको और put a, after 10 minutes put a piece of aluminium foil. So the direct heat will not make it crusty or darken it too much. Yeah. So as I said, basically it's a dump recipe. Just put everything together and bake it. Yeah. So I've kept it aside तो वो थोड़ा सा slightly buttermilk के जैसा हो जाता है. But yeah, I am not able to manage this mic. Okay. So that is just almond milk. अब ये नहीं कि ज़रूरी है कि almond milk ही करना है. You can use regular milk, you can use soy milk, any. But like for to make it richer, because Thandai is all about being very rich, yeah. So I thought it was better to use almond milk. Plus it gives a little vegan touch to it if you're not using the yogurt. So here I'm going to put in the oil. So I'm mixing the oil and the sugar. You can use any sugar. You can use desi khand is usually less sweeter than any other sugar, even less than your brown sugar.
So you didn't powder it or something?
I am using this only. I am using this for my cooking, for my baking. I am only doing this, the raw sugar.
You don't need to powder it and all that and nothing of that.
Nothing, nothing. But if it is, मैंने डाल दी सारी वीडियो में आपको बताती, but get a good brand is fine. See, I source it from an organic shop. उनके यहाँ से कभी कोई brand आता है, कभी कोई brand आता है. But I'm sure if you buy and check the date from Grofers or from Big Basket or any such shop, you'll get a good. आजकल तो सब कुछ बहुत clean भी हो गया है. And then you will get that smell. Yes. Yes. Monsoons, a lot of things are a problem. Yeah. So now I'm going to mix the atta, the almond flour, ragi flour. So this is fine as long as I don't move. Okay, so I'm just going to whisk these ingredients together. So half a teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda, right? Yeah, this is, see, half a teaspoon hai ye? 1/4. This is half.
This is half. The other one is measured.
This one is measured? I'll just tell you the ingredients. Okay. So just give it a nice whisk. There is no point in sieving it. Okay, and then you whisk the So just give it a nice whisk. You want to use your hand mixer, you can, but it's not required. Then goes your other wet ingredient.
समझ आएगा ना,
मैं भी यही करती हूँ,
है ना?
सीरीज के फॉर्मूले A + B - B यही होता है, फर्स्ट पॉइंट, सेकंड
हाँ,
पॉइंट।
ये मैंने फिर
Then you add your essence.
लेकिन
यहाँ आ जाएगा।
ऐसे कर दूँगी मैं। ये है ना, ये है ना, इधर
थोड़ा ब्लॉक कर रहे हैं।
I'll pass this essence around. You can see how potent it is.
Woody kind of not synthetic in sense.
These are oil based, so they cannot be synthetic. And then you drop in your now we are ready to put it into this. So, I think somebody can help me put this here. Now, another important tip to remember when you are preheating your oven is what temperature do you preheat your oven? मैं 170 180 पे करती हूँ इसको, and it takes about 25 minutes or so. I have put it here also on about 170. Okay guys, wish me luck. These are going in. Okay. Let me just check the timing here. So I have put it on 25. We'll check it. Another, I think all of you know not to make the mistake of opening your oven in between. Okay, I guess you guys know that any recipe that has only soda, you need to put it into the oven as early as possible. Okay, so while we are waiting for this to bake, we are going to frost these. So this is the, okay, first let me give you the measurements for the thandai powder somebody wanted.
This can be used in making thandai as well, no?
Yes, but you'll have to sweeten it because this is unsweetened. Yeah. Okay, so 200 grams of almonds, 100 grams of pistachio, 50 grams kaju, 200 grams of poppy seeds, 30 pieces of elaichi. One elaichi with the skin is approximately 20.20. Then I have written here 30 black peppercorns, but you can reduce it according to your taste. Some people don't like it very stingy. 1 nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera or regular jeera, 1 gram of kesar, 3 tablespoon dried rose petals, and 50 gram of magas, the melon seeds. So all you need to do is, except for the kesar and the dried rose petals, you need to dry roast everything on very low fire, otherwise your poppy seeds will become very dark in color. And then they will have that burnt kind of a flavor. So dry roast it, cool it and grind it. While grinding, you can add your kesar and your rose petals. ये ना फ्रीज होके ना स्प्लिट करने लगती है. हाँ, पर थोड़ी सी आप देखो ना, एजेस देखो स्मूथ नहीं रही हैं.
वही वो इसमें थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है फ्रिज में.
I'll just tell you. Yeah, some butter, some cream cheese, and some mascarpone. Icing sugar and your Thandai powder. And of course the Thandai essence. Okay, you guys can pass this around and taste the frosting. What was that?
इसकी मेजरमेंट्स बता दो।
हाँ, अभी बताते हैं। डालते जाओ। If you're not getting it, just put cream cheese. There is no substitute as such. It's not a must to put mascarpone, but it enhances the flavor and the texture. बस बस बस।
Okay, everybody's tasted?
Thank you. Okay, so I'm just going to so whether to frost or not to frost is totally your call. But अच्छे लगते हैं. Some more. Okay, so how do you garnish it? Summers में especially. So just take a little bit of pista, some rose petals, Okay, so girls, this is the lady. This is the lady behind Fab Essences, the ones that I've been talking about to all of you. The essences, she's a brilliant baker herself, and all the essences are developed by Gurneesh, that is her husband, and she tests them. No, 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 no. So what she does is she experiments with them and then sends them to bakers to see if they are up to the mark. And what I love about Fab Essences are that you don't have to pour half a bottle and then again keep guessing. Like I showed you the Thandai essence, you will just smell it and say, okay, this is Thanda. You may not be able to say it if it's not in your mind, but you will still say, yes, it is. And what I like about it is, I love the oil-based ones because they are more potent and the quantity that goes in is very little.